And what the doctor before told you what to do for the pain in your knee. So just explain.
In English or in Tagalog?
In English.
Yes, English.
English po. How long have you has a pain in your knee?
2 years.
Yes.
No, recently after badminton, right?
After stop playing badminton, maybe at the age of 67.
67. So that is like 2 years.
That's the start.
2 years. And how serious? Yeah. So how serious of the pain? Cannot bend or
How serious is it?
Serious?
Gano'n
Yes.
yes. Kasakit
How
yung pain
painful?
mo?
How
Painful,
painful?
gano'n kasakit?
cannot bend, cannot walk far, cannot go to the car.
Go upstairs.
Yes.
I can walk. I can go stair, but
I go to stairs.
not like that.
Cannot go to the
by step.
stair like a normal person. have to
One by
have to
one.
go like that
that
in the
one.
side, right?
And then
Position.
not
Step
like
by
that,
step.
like that. Not
Yes.
like that.
Mm-hmm. And then what the doctor in Philippines told you to do?
Operation and put steel in my knee.
Replace the knee.
Like
Total knee.
and plastic.
Steel and plastic.
Yeah.
Home replacement.
And then so after treatment right now, how you feel?
How you feel?
Right now, how you
How you feel
feel?
right now?
Better.
Better.
Because I can bend.
You can bend more.
Yes. Now you
Now
can.
better.
Now.
Much better.
Yes.